My side hustle videos hit because people are realizing their degrees aren't delivering. But I'm about to show you 7 ways to make more money than your dream job ever would. I'm talking to everyone drowning in student debt, wondering if college was worth it. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. I'm showing you real people making $2,000 to $5,000 a month using skills they already have. What degree do you have and what are you actually doing for work? Be honest in the comments. Let's start with the college degree reality check. In the United States, 44 million people carry student loans. Many are underemployed, working jobs that don't require a degree, earning far less than they expected. Here's the mindset shift. Your degree is a foundation, not a destination. You don't have to be locked into the career your major points to. In fact, the fastest way forward for many graduates is to stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like an entrepreneur. I'm about to give you 7 practical methods you can start now. Method number 4 is making my viewers more than their day jobs. Method 1. Freelance your college skills. Whatever your degree taught you, writing, research, analysis, design, tutoring, you can sell it as a service. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with paying clients fast. Income potential ranges from $25 to $100 an hour, depending on your skill and experience. One of my viewers with a history degree now earns $1,200 a month tutoring students online. Method 2. Online course creation. If you learned it in college, you can teach it online. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare let you package your expertise into courses. If your course solves a real problem or teaches a high-demand skill, it can earn anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 a month. Method 3. Consulting in your field. Many businesses will pay for specialized knowledge even if you're not working full-time in that field. This could mean advising startups, reviewing documents, helping with compliance, or providing expert analysis. Rates range from $50 to $200 an hour. I know a biology grad making $4,000 a month advising biotech companies on a part-time basis. Method 4. Digital product creation. This is one of my favorites because it can become semi-passive income. Create templates, guides, or tools related to your field. For example, a marketing grad could sell social media strategy templates. Income potential here is $500 to $5,000 a month once your product gains traction. Comment which of these 4 methods matches your skill set. I'll help you get started. The last 3 methods are where the real money is. Method 5. High-ticket service business. This is about combining your degree knowledge with business skills to offer premium services. Think architectural renderings, specialized legal research, or advanced data analysis. These services can command $3,000 to $15,000 a month if you solve big problems for clients. Method 6. Content creation and monetization. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast around your expertise area. It's not overnight money, but it's scalable. Monetize with ads, sponsorships, and your own products. Method 7. Investment income. Once you're earning more from methods 1 through 6, start reinvesting your profits. This could be in index funds, dividend stocks, or real estate. At an 8 to 12% annual return, your money starts working for you. Pause and comment your biggest obstacle: student loans, no time, or something else. Here's how to pick your method. If you need quick cash, start with freelancing or consulting. If you want scalable, semi-passive income, look at digital products or content creation. If you're ready for higher earnings and can deliver results, aim for high-ticket services. And no matter which you pick, plan to invest part of your earnings. Your 30-day action plan is simple. Week 1, pick your method and commit. Week 2, research your market and create your offer. Week 3, start promoting and reaching out to potential clients or customers. Week 4, refine your process based on feedback and results. This expands on everything we've covered about alternative income. For those who've been watching, this is your advanced playbook. Unpopular opinion: your degree isn't worthless. You're just using it wrong. Comment started when you pick your method and take action. Thanks for watching the Wealth Wisdom Academy. You're not stuck with what your degree gives you. You can use it as a launch pad to create something better. Stay smart, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.